Okay, Ming. I'm gonna bring you to the veterinary. Hold on, huh? Hold on. Okay, just be careful. Oh gosh. Ah, how can I bring you there? Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. Hold on. Oh no, how can I bring my umbrella? Hold on. Ming, hold on. Are you okay? Oh gosh, oh so sorry. Oh my gosh, sorry. Don't move. I'm gonna bring you to the hospital, okay? To the veterinary. Oh gosh, your neck. Ah, yeah, I know you're hurting. But sorry, okay? Sorry. Hold on. I'll just get my umbrella. Hold on. Stay there, okay? Okay. Okay. Don't worry. Oh, okay. You'll be safe, okay? Oh my gosh, guys. See this helpless little cat? Oh my gosh. Hold on. I'm gonna bring you to the vet. Oh no, don't move. Oh, sorry. Okay. Oh, how can I help you? Don't move, okay? I'm gonna bring you to the hospital, to the veterinary rather. See that? You're so tiny and oh my god, you're so little and then they hit you. Oh my gosh. And you know what, guys and gals, aside from the neck, his or her eyes, her or his right eye has already damaged. How I wish you can still live, okay? Oh my gosh, this is some kind of sorry guys, hold on, I'll be right back, okay?